Right, so I want to share some top tips on nutrition for eating out, because something that comes up quite a lot in conversation with not only clients but also with people asking questions to us is basically, I eat out a lot and I'm worried about having to give it up, or the other thing is, but I'm not sure, I might have to cancel my meal because they're worried about going over the calories. Now, the reality is, when you go out, there's certain things that you can do that will help you avoid that. Now, we're happy with some of our clients to literally look at the restaurants they're going to, and then we will suggest some ideas that they can utilise and eat to make sure they don't go outside their boundaries of what they've got for what their goals are. Now, there's some simple tips. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can follow to keep your life simple. First one, when you go for a meal, try and steer off the alcohol if you can. Okay, so that's going to save you some calories in itself. That's number 1. Number 2 is making sure that you choose your food options. Instead of maybe choosing a burger and chips, okay, is to maybe choose something like a chili con carne and leave the rice, or you could have like a chicken breast with some vegetables, maybe and some sweet potato, for example. Also, the other thing is that you can look at is, instead of maybe having 3 courses, you could have 2, or you could have 1 course and a glass of wine. Again, there's lots of options here of what you can do to help you and make life easier for yourself. There's other things that you can do before and after and around your meal out if you're social and eating out a lot. So that is just one example. So we'll give you some more tips on these moving forward, because we don't want to overload you. So there's my 3 top things that you can do to help you when you're eating out in the future.